It's November 1st and my Christmas tree is right on time. Hey y'all, it's Vader Vengeance. It's November 3rd and it's time to go Christmas shopping! I know it's super early for a lot of people, but I have been watching a ton of vloggers already shopping for Christmas, and a lot of items are already sold out. So I decided to make a list of stuff that I want to grab and hit all the stores today. I'm also going to hit the grocery store and stock up on a few essential items, and I hope you guys did too. I hope you're hanging in there from whatever future date this video is coming to you from. But without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing I'm looking at here is these bottle brush trees. They're only $1.49, which at Target, these would go for like $5. So I'm gonna get a couple of these first. These burlap trees are also only $1.49, so I'm gonna pick up some for my table. These are $1.99. I had gnomes on my list, so I'm definitely gonna get some of these. These little tiny wreaths are only $1.99, so I need one of these from inside the door. I already picked up one from Walmart that's a little bigger, but this would be perfect. I kill all my real plants, so this is perfect. This is my brother, and he's here helping us Christmas shop. These shatterproof ornaments are perfect for having pets. I definitely need these around Moose, so let's get them. I'm trying to figure out if I need this guy for $30. I think he's super cute and I want to put him at the top of the stairs, but I don't know if I should get it for $30. These are some of the cheapest stockings I've seen at $6, so I'm just gonna grab one. So we pretty much blew the budget at Big Lots, but we still have to hit Walmart, Target, and Michael's. So we'll see if we can scrounge up some stuff in the dollar section of Target, and hopefully we won't be too much over. There's not really anything at the Target dollar spot besides these trees, but I'll see what else they have. Yeah, nothing much, just the trees. I was looking for a knitted stocking and I found this Hearth and Hand one. It's $15, but I think it's totally worth it because it's super cute. So we're in the Christmas aisle and we're trying to figure out if they hadn't stocked it yet or if everything's just sold out. These little tiny baby stockings are perfect for the cats. I definitely wanted some of these Disney stockings, but at $15, I just don't think it's the right purchase. However, I definitely need some of these birds. These are the bottle brush trees I was talking about earlier. As you can see, they are 4 for $5. Definitely made a good purchase at 99-cent store.
Christmas is all about. I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
Hear the people laughing.
$9 for 40 ornaments. This is so much of a better deal than Big Lots.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every hear the hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy. Every hear the hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy. Every Christmas time, hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy. Ooh, at Christmas time.
Okay guys, we're back. Thank you so much for coming with me on that journey. I hope you enjoyed Christmas shopping with me in November. Please leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite item was. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, please. Thank you. Bye. For those of you who are asking about my wig brush, this is the Rebel brush from Tangle Angel. And this is not sponsored, but look at that. It's so cute. Love it.